Hello everyone. Let's look at using join all. We're going to use join all with async. So first thing we're going to do is do async for the main. We use Tokyo, which will provide us with all of our async functionality. And then I've done this before with, or I've looked at Arc and Mutex in the past, and that's obviously using threads. We're not using multiple threads here. This will be one thread for Tokyo that Tokyo uses. So we're waiting on futures. We're going to use futures, future, and then we'll be using join all. So this video is all about join all. We're going to use Tokyo time, and that's just to put in a delay. And you can experiment with a delay, and what you'll find is whatever delays you put in, all of the tasks should complete pretty much by the time of the longest time. So we're going to have a function, which is going to be a task. So we'll do async because it's asynchronous. Function is going to be called task. The ID, which is just going to help us see the output of what we're doing. Sex is seconds, is the U64, and we're going to output a string. So we're going to run this task multiple times, and then we will get a feel for how it compares against using, for instance, Arc and Mutex when you're spawning threads. So sleep, the duration from seconds. If you're doing it from milliseconds, then obviously multiply it by 1,000. We need to await this. So after the sleep is completed, then we proceed and then we format the task down and put in the ID. So that's a function. And it's going to return a string. So the string will be task, the number of the task done. So in main, what we now need, we'll create a vec for our tasks. Task 1, and then the delay will be 4 seconds. We'll have second task. We'll make the delay less, so we'll just say 2 seconds. And then we'll just put in a third task. So task 3 should take 3 seconds. So what we will get here is we will get a delay of approximately 4 seconds. So task 2 and task 3 should run in parallel, and they should complete first. Close this vec. But the thing to remember here is that when we do join all, and then we iterate over what join all returns, all of the futures, we will then be printing them in their regular order. So results equals join all of the tasks. So whatever the strings that get returned, we will then get the results, which will look something like, run this. Task 1 done, task 2, task 3. Just clear that and run, clear. Right, cargo run. And then it's going to wait for 4 seconds. Then you see task 1, task 2, task 3. So in total, if we, let's just make that 2 seconds, make that 2 seconds. So rather than taking 2 plus 2 plus 2, which would be 6, this should just take 2 seconds. And hopefully we'll just get a feel for that. I could put a timer in, but there's no need really. What we've proven really is that you can run tasks, asynchronous tasks in parallel. And then because effectively it's network bound rather than CPU bound, that's why you would be better using async rather than doing extra threads. That's my overview of using join all. Hopefully that's been interesting, or it's just given you a little bit of food for thought. Yeah, if you want more details, then the Rust documentation will cover that. And Tokyo.rs, Tokyo's own website, has got a huge load of stuff on there. There's a great example using Redis. if you want to go down that route. But yeah, for now, just remember join all works with the futures crate, and it lets you run some tasks. So we're going to use join all on tasks, and yeah, for each task. So you've got a vec where the task function is called 3 times, and yeah, those strings you've got 1, 2, 3, but they even whatever order you put this in. So if I made that first task take 6 seconds, you get the idea. It's still going to return. It's still going to return 1, 2, 3 because it waits until the last task is done. So that's join all. And I think there's another option which is I need to look that up, but I think it's join. There's one where it join first or something. It just as soon as it gets one response, then it completes. So there we go. Join all with futures. Just a quick intro. So thanks for watching, and I will be back soon. I don't know when. Got a few things going on, but like channel, thumbs up, and all that. So yeah, good luck with your coding. Thanks for watching.